Alright, hi guys, so my name is Lyric, Jamaican makeup artist, and this video is about my hair. Now, I got this hair from BeautyBox876 on Instagram. Let me just scoot down here. I'm not sure they have a website yet, I doubt it, but this is 30-inch Peruvian straight hair. 30 inches, and there is nothing in the hair, so the natural luster, nothing in the hair. The ends are a little bit dry, so I want to get something on there. Well, I think that's a bit dry, so I want to get something under because I'll be gone for the entire day today, so I want to have it a little bit moisturized. But yeah, this is the hair, nothing in the hair. I sprayed some holding spray on top because I made this wig, and it's I'm not good at the wig making anymore because I'm learning now. So yeah, so this is the hair, and it's their 30-inch Peruvian 30-inch Peruvian straight. So this is what I wore on my birthday. My birthday was the 3rd of December. Thank you to everybody who wished me a happy birthday, and this company actually wrote me and asked me if I could do a review on their hair. Oh, the joys of natural lighting. It's not, I can't help it, it's like right there. I can't help it. Yeah, so they had written me on Instagram and asked if they could do if I could do a review on their hair, and I was like, yeah, definitely. But days before, I had said on my Snapchat that I want to have 30 inches for my 30th birthday, and I just said it because, you know, I wanted it, but I knew it was never going to be possible because no hair companies were writing me. Well, the AliExpress hair companies have been writing me like crazy, but I have been refusing them and telling them no because can't nobody meet my demands, and okay. So yeah, so nobody was writing me, and I was like, you know, I'd probably not gonna get it, and I was already putting in my head, okay, which hair I can wear. And then this company wrote me, and I was like, alright, but this is what I want. And they're like, yeah man. I'm like, whoa. First of all, they're a new company, so to shell out 30 inches of hair on me, I knew that was a huge investment that they took. I know, this length hair is not cheap. No, this hair is very tall. I brushed it a little before this tutorial. I flat ironed it as well. I love how it flat irons. It flat irons so beautifully. It just woof straight through flat irons. I do get snagging in the back here when I've had the hair on for a while, so I carry my little brush around with me, and I just, you know, occasionally brush out my hair so that it looks nice and fresh again. I'm obsessed with this hair, you guys, and I'm even more obsessed with the length. Like, the length has me. The 30 inches, bruh, it has me, man. Like, wow, I love this hair. I love this hair. I want to do other stuff to it. I want to and I want to curl it up. I want to do a little comb over thingy and a little zhuzh. I don't know. I have so many ideas to do this hair. But this is just my initial review of the hair because I'll be styling my hair differently for the Christmas. I wanted the yarn full locks. So hopefully I can find somebody out here that does them at a reasonable price. I'm just not saying. So this is my initial review, and initially love the hair. I have gotten shedding, of course, because I made it into a wig. There is like stuff in my eyes. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, so I made this into a wig, right? So, you know, having to make it into a wig, I have to cut it so that it wraps around the hair, that it lays a certain way. And yes, I have gotten shedding because of that. I have not washed this hair as yet, and I suspect that when I wash it, the shedding will stop because, you know, I still get shedding once in a while, but it doesn't shed heavily. I get strands, of course, whenever I brush out the hair, but as usual, not a lot. Not sure if you're seeing that, but there's like, and I brushed the hair out through before I did this. 1, 2, I don't know, here it is. 2, yeah, not many strands at all. And as you can see, this hair flows. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you've seen this. If you follow my Instagram, you saw that video that I posted with me just moving it. I mean, the movement to this hair, it's just, it's gorgeous, man. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Chapter 39, and Voice from Babylon. Soon after this,
I love this hair. Yes, as I said, it's just my initial review. My full review isn't up as yet. I'll give a final review in a couple weeks, a couple months. We'll see how it goes, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated on my Instagram, Periscope, and Snapchat, because I'm on those mostly. I'm not on Twitter mostly at all, but if you want to catch up with my videos, like my video uploads, definitely on Twitter. Whenever a video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, it shares automatically to my Twitter account, so that's why I keep that active. But yeah, so that's what I want to say so far. I am loving the hair, I'm loving the length, and this hair is a showstopper, man. Wherever you go, they're like, oh my god, her hair is so long, and I'm like, yes nigga, eat it, yes. Yeah, so that's basically it I have to say about BeautyBox876 hair. Thank you so much, you guys, for taking a chance with this little old girl out here. I hope I bring a lot of people to your company. I hope, you know, investing in this 30-inch hair made you like a cajillionaires, you know what I mean? So, because you know, whenever they ask us to do reviews, it's just a form of advertisement for them. So I really hope that this partnership works out for both of us. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all I want to say to you guys. The hair so far is going good. Yes, shedding, yes, tangling. When I wash it, I'm going to say how it acts. When I wash it, does it love moisture? No, it's fine. It's not high maintenance. The only way it would be high maintenance is because of the ends. You see how the ends look? I want to put something shiny on the ends, so that as it wears throughout the day, it looks cool. I mean, it looks fine now, and I can wear it as is, but I like to just add some moisture throughout the hair, because I know I'm going to have a really long day. I'm just not doing this for the video and taking this wig off. I'm literally going out on the road today. So yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much again, BeautyBox876, for this hair, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.